Chili con carne is one of my favourite foods to batch cook, so I'm going to add my vegetables to the food processor and use the pulse mode. This will chop them up nice and fine, so I have my carrots, my onions, my celery, and then I've chopped my red pepper. I'm going to add some paprika and some cumin and some chili powder. I'm going to cook on the hob for about 10 minutes, add my pulses, so my beans and my chickpeas. Then I'm going to add some tins of tomato and my meat, so I'm going to break it up into the mix. To this then I'm going to add some water just to make it nice and loose, and my balsamic vinegar. So I'll cook this now on the hob for about an hour on a simmer, and then I'm ready to go. So tonight I had it with tacos, so we added some avocado, some cheese and some rice, and then I'm going to freeze off the rest of it in my portion pots, my BPA free portion pots, ready for the next meal.